It, you know, when I first go down to Palm Beach, that's probably my hardest time because we've had a bit of an off season and the holidays, and I'm probably the least fit I am any part of the year is then, so in January, and then at the same time I have a lot of horses to ride once I get down there. So and also we start pretty hard with our trainer at the same time, so I tend to get sore, and I have to just kind of muscle through it for 3 weeks, 4 weeks until my body gets used to it, and then I tend to catch up and it's not so bad the rest of the time. So I'd say go see Linda. She can help. You know, it's amazing. She can stop and have her help you for 5 or 10 minutes on one particular spot, and she can do something, but when she really has time to do it, she gets great results as well. It's a good feeling walking in the door. I know she's gonna get rid of some of the aches and pains, and it's gonna, I mean, I like the massage as well. All over, feels great, and we do everything we can to make the horses comfortable. And if we're not comfortable, we can't do our job as well either. So I think it's just logical to get help trying to make yourself feel better. So I know she's going to work on places that are sore, get rid of the aches and pains, and it's also very relaxing at the end of the day. I have 2 hours just to myself with her.